Yo, what's up? Did you know that if your account is 10% negative, that all you'll need is 11% positive to break even? Stay tuned, for I have a little secret for all you traders on YouTube right now. Are you tired of blowing accounts, or do you want to make more money than you lose in these markets? Then hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you don't miss any tips, tricks, and fixes when it comes to trading in these markets. Hey there, it's your boy James, the Forex Prince, over here at Beastly Trader, where we teach traders how to become consistently profitable. And if you're interested in becoming consistently profitable, then make sure you smash that like button. Today's goal is to get this video to 12 likes to help us get into the algorithm. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can increase your chances of profitability in these markets with the help of a very useful tool that I've created just for the public. But before we get into anything, I just want to say thank you for watching this video. And if you stay to the end, I'll show you my best methods on how you can make money in these markets trading Forex. Alright, here's the first tip and secret tool that I have to help increase your profits. Alright, I've created a profit planner and a trade tracker. Alright, this document is totally editable. You can come in here and you can change a number of things to help you get to where you should be. Alright, so let's just say we want to come up here and we want to change our balance. Let's say we had a prop firm account for $5,000, right? Or heck, let's say we got $500. Boom. Let's do $500, right? You see how it changed my lot sizes here? It changed my lot sizes. And we only need 2 pips. This journal is freaking amazing. Alright? And it shows you exactly how to go ahead and trade and profit. Alright? So now you have settings up here. You can come down here. You can change between these. You can hit conservative, and you'll see that the prices and everything change. You'll see that everything just it gets better. Alright? You can see. See. Look at that. Look at that. Conservative. I don't know how it goes from conservative to the other way around, but look, we come to aggressive, and it looks like it cap out. It do a lot of things. We still working on it, but best believe that this is ready to go. All right, it's ready to go. I've already been using this for some time. You can go ahead and you can input your trades over here and put your actual balances and just keep documents. All right, so we're going to hit the check mark. We're going to come down here, and this is the other end of it. All right, use this page to backtest your strategy and determine your win rate. So you will go ahead and you will put your trade up here, then you will select what time frame that trade was looked at. Then you will hit if it was a buy or a sell signal. Then if it was a long, short, or scalp position, you will also put that. Then you will go ahead and put the entry day, entry time, entry price, stop loss, TP1, TP2, TP3. What type of trade was it? Was it a risk to reward of what? Mark that down here. Exit date. You can also do an exit time, an exit price, and then you'll document if that trade was a win or loss. And then you can calculate the pips here and just slide them suckers there. So like I said, that's tip 1. I really hope you guys enjoy it. You can find the access to this. The link will be in the description below. Definitely check that out. So like I said, let's go on into the next tip. Alright, and the next tip has got to be this trading journal here. Alright, this is to help you pass your evaluations at My Forex Funds and FTMO. So you would come up here to the numbers, you would change it. Let's say they gave you, what's the $10,000 account? We change that to 10,000. You see how all the numbers change, right? Hit the check up here. You got different levels. We could go ahead and put phase 1. Boom. It lets you know that you need $1,000. You can't do it on easy because we'll still be short $131. Like, it's only 30 trades. You can continue this out by starting over and get back where you need to be. But we're better off just finding exactly where we should be. So let's go ahead and put normal, and you'll see that normal, it takes us to, we had 1,100 in profit. We walked away with 157. Even if we come to FTMO 2, you see it's a 500, walk away with 657. Same thing down here for My Forex Fund. My Forex Fund is 8%, and then it's 2%. So all this money is here. It shows you how to do it. Don't worry about it. The access to this link will also be down in the link below. Make sure you guys check that out. This is definitely something you guys want to look at, because it is awesome, man. It is awesome. This one also comes with the back testing strategy chart in here as well. So like I said, these are to die for. Like, I've been asked over and over and over just for this one alone, because this one's going to help you actually conquer your prop firm evaluations. So like I said, if you're interested in this, make sure you smash that like button, because we're going for 12 likes so we can get put into the algorithm, so I can help more people. I want to help more people, and I need your help doing so. So make sure you smash that like and subscribe button. And my next and final tip has got to be my indicators. If you guys aren't using my strategies that I embedded with inside these indicators that I created that no one else have, well, there's at least 30 to 40 people that have these indicators because they got them from me. They got access from me. But I'm telling you, these 30 to 40 people aren't regular traders anymore. Should have seen the guy that I gave strategy to last week. Went and turned around and made 2,400 in just a day. Look, these strategies, I'm telling you, they're not 100%, but they are definitely something you want to use when you need to be painted a clear picture. Look how easy you can easily just look at this and know what's going on. Easily. So like I said, man, the link will be in the description if you want to get my strategy indicators. Definitely check them out. You got a lot of people saying, oh, indicators are trash, don't use them. Listen, my indicators have been painting the picture for me for like the last 3 years. All right, they don't lag, they don't repaint, they show exactly what the market wants to show you. And you know, sometimes that also comes with false signals, just like the market will throw you false signals, and that's okay. You just have to adapt and adjust to the market and react, not predict and foreshadow and just think you're gonna make $1 million off that next trade. So definitely check out the links in the description, because they will help you become a better and profitable trader. You know, before you go, I gotta talk to you, alright? So I just want to let you know that I thank you and I appreciate you watching this video. I hope those tips help you, and if they do and you find some type of use of this video, make sure you subscribe and share this video to someone you know who is struggling with making money. It doesn't matter with anything. Share this to somebody that's struggling with making money, and point them to me, and I help them make some money, help them change their lives a little bit. Alright, so like I said, you know I gotta talk to you. I definitely want you guys to understand that there's things that, you know, in life you just can't control. Alright, in life, 10% of what happens to you is your fault. You gotta learn to take accountability. Alright, a lot of this, we make a lot of mistakes. There's a lot of things that could, you know, have been right or couldn't have been done better, but you know, we're not thinking like that. So a lot of times we think and chase the bag, and realistically what we should be doing is building connections. Building connections is worth far more than any amount of money in this world. Alright, so you got to also think about it. 90% of what you do about it dictates your mood and how you transpond to fixing that problem. Alright, a lot of people in this world, and I'm going to talk to the men for this, a lot of you guys are walking around here with depression on your chest, anxiety on your chest, and you don't know how to get through with it. I want to tell you that you have to do something about it. Sitting in it is not going to better you. Sitting in it is not going to give you some type of brainstorm so you can try to, you know, become a millionaire in an instant. No, you have to work at it day by day, hour by hour, little by little. You can't get in the gym tomorrow and expect this beefy body that all the women is going to love. Alright, you got to take it little at a time, as much as you can take until you get to your level. So again, life is about 10% of what happens to you, it fucks you up, and then 90% of what you do about it can also fuck you up if you're not doing the right things. Alright, so like I said, man, now that we're at the end of this video, I just want to bless you and, you know, thank you for a few more years of being on YouTube. I don't have any more gems for you outside of what I've given you. Updates, I will be turning my indicators into EAs, so look forward to that soon. Also, I know that it's extremely hard to trade, and a lot of times you don't have, you know, enough capital to trade. But do know that there's funding programs out here now. You don't have to use your money. You don't have to blow the bank. All you have to do is set some money aside and go get you a funded account. Also, if you want to learn more about how you can get a funded account, I'll make sure to leave cue cards in the video somewhere so you guys can get over to the right video that helps you, better accommodate yourself to getting into these type of things. But if that don't help you, the links will be down in the description. So I just want to thank you guys. I also want to tell you that my videos are still doing what they have to do. Every 25th person that likes the video, I'll give you a random indicator free of charge. All you got to do is like, subscribe, comment down below saying that I'll take that challenge, and let's both have a better week. So again, I hope all is well. Stay blessed, my friends.